Okay, everyone, this week the social marketing plan is due. So you can see here that this is the new schedule that we put out in week 7 is where you can find this chart. All of the components of this that you've been working on all semester, you're now putting together to finalize this plan. I will tell you that you should grab your textbook when you're putting this together and turn to page 26 and 27, and you will see actually it starts on 25, 26, and 27, and you can see the different components of the social marketing plan, and they're organized exactly how you guys have been working on them this semester. You can see here that after you do the social marketing plan this week, then you're actually going to make a presentation of the plan. And what I would really like to see with this is you just kind of are summarizing the different components of your plan in PowerPoint with voiceover audio so that I can just go through and look at it and be able to hear you while I'm going through each slide. And then the last week for your final for this course, you're going to be writing a reflection paper on the process of building your plan. So you will get more details on the presentation and also on the reflection paper. But as of right now, this week, I just want you to focus on your social marketing plan. The good thing about this is you have already done everything. So my only 2 suggestions for you at this point is to make sure that you have put it together in a professional manner. It should be consistent. All tabbing needs to be the same. Spacing needs to be the same. This needs to be one really, cohesive document. It needs to look like it's all put together and it all belongs. Another thing is you do not want to speak in the first person. So if you have me or I in your social marketing plan, which some of you guys did with submissions, you're going to want to eliminate that. Okay, you're going to want to talk in the third person for this. So that's just professional writing is generally always in the third person. So put it together, make sure your formatting is correct. Make sure that you are not speaking in the first person. And then my last recommendation would be to make sure that you have implemented all of the changes. If you don't get repeated point deductions, if you received a point deduction on budget, the plan for implementation or management, marketing mix strategies, if you received any point deductions, take the feedback, correct them, and submit it. There's no reason why you shouldn't receive 100% on this because you've already turned it in, you've already done the feedback, you apply the feedback, put it together formatted properly in a professional writing, taking out all first person. I mean, this should be you've already done all the work, you're just putting it together. So social marketing plan is due this week. It will be due Tuesday, the 10th at 11:59 p.m. If anybody has any questions, email me. I'd be happy to help in any way I can. And I look forward to seeing these plans all put together. You guys have a great week.